this is Tim from Your 6 Studios. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to make your keyboard bigger on your Android phone. So let's just open up the keyboard some way. So I'm just going to click on the Google search right here. Now that I have my keyboard open, don't type anything in. Just go to settings on the top right. There should be an option in here for keyboard size. So we can go on down, size and transparency. Now you can adjust your keyboard size. So this is the smallest, this is the largest, and then I think we can shrink it too. Just go to done, and boom, our keyboard should be a little bit larger now. So if you need a little bit more room to type, this is an easy way. So it's a little bit easier now. Hopefully this video did indeed help you out. Leave it a big thumbs up, and subscribe my channel down below for more tech videos coming up next on Your 6 Studios.